What is LVM Snapshot? LVM Snapshot is a feature of the LVM in Linux that allows a user to create a point-in-time copy of a logical volume. A logical volume is a way of organizing disk space on a Linux system, allowing for more flexibility and easier management of disk space. A snapshot is essentially a frozen copy of a logical volume at a specific point in time. The snapshot volume is a read-only copy of the original volume, and it allows the user to make changes to the original volume without affecting the snapshot. This can be useful for a variety of tasks such as backups, testing, and disaster recovery. The main advantage of LVM snapshots is that they can be created and deleted quickly, and they don't require additional disk space. Because the snapshot volume is read-only, it allows the user to make changes to the original volume while still preserving the state of the original volume. This allows the user to revert back to the original volume in case of errors or failure. Additionally, LVM snapshots can be used to take backups of running systems, which is not possible with traditional backups. So that's all for today's video. Keep learning. See you on next video. Till then, bye bye.